In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Google Chrome being zoomed in too far. This is a common problem that can be annoying, especially if it affects your ability to navigate and read content effectively. Luckily, there's a simple way to adjust the zoom settings in Chrome, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's go over how to access the necessary settings in your Chrome browser. Start by looking at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots. These dots serve as a menu button that, when clicked, will open a variety of options for you. Selecting this button is your first step. Once you have the menu open, take a look and you'll find an option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new window where we can adjust detailed preferences for your Chrome experience. This area might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just one particular setting. Next, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several categories listed, and we're interested in the one called Appearance. By clicking on Appearance, you bring up a section that deals with how things look in your browser, really important for our task of fixing that zoom issue. Now that you're in the Appearance section, you should see various settings related to how web pages display on your screen. What you're looking for is an option called Page Zoom. This is the feature that controls how zoomed in or out content appears by default. If your Chrome appears zoomed in too far, it's likely because this setting has been set to a larger percentage by mistake. To correct this, click on the drop-down menu next to Page Zoom. You'll be provided with a list of percentages to choose from. For most people, a 100% zoom is preferred and provides a natural view of web pages as they were designed. Therefore, select 100% from the list. By doing this, you're setting Chrome to display content in its intended size, eliminating the need for unnecessary horizontal scrolling or zooming out continuously. And there you have it. Once you've made this adjustment, you should find that your Chrome browser displays web pages at the correct scale, making your browsing experience more comfortable and effective. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to revert or make further adjustments. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you resolve any Zoom-related frustrations you are experiencing with Google Chrome.